他才唱了2个小时，他2个小时才唱完。
你能听出区别吗？很多学生都学过才的用法，但句子一遍就搞不清楚到底是什么意思了。
They look similar in Chinese, but mean totally different things. Today, I'll show you how to use 才 like a native speaker.
才在中文里常常表示少、晚、慢、不容易。它的英文翻译包括 only, just, not until, as late as， 要根据句子来理解。才
In Chinese often shows something happens later than expected, or there's less, slower, or harder than expected. It depends on the sentence. Let's see the difference between these two sentences.
句子一，他才唱了2个小时。这个句子的意思是，他只唱了2个小时，时间很短，说话人觉得还早，还可以继续唱。要注意，这里的才后面是一个动作时间段。
他才唱了2个小时。
This means he only sang for 2 hours. It feels too short. The speaker expected him to sing more.
才
Is placed before the duration of the action.
句子2，他2个小时才唱完。这个句子的意思是，他唱完一首歌居然花了2个小时，太久了，说话人觉得太慢太拖了。这里的才放在动词前，强调结果发生的晚。
他2个小时才唱完。
This means it took him 2 hours to finish singing. That feels too long. The speaker expected it to be faster. To summarize, the meaning of
才
changes with word order. Put 才 early, you emphasize short time.
才唱了2个小时。
Put it late, you emphasize long wait or delay.
2个小时才唱完。
Next, we're gonna learn 3 common usages of 才.
用法1，表示时间晚。
In English, it's similar to not until or. As late as.
我7点才起床。
I didn't get up until 7 a.m.
才强调起得晚，7点才起床，说话人觉得7点已经很晚了。
The speaker emphasized that I got up too late, at 7 o'clock, and felt that 7 o'clock was already very late.
他10岁才开始上学。
He didn't start school until he was 10. Chinese learners often use wrong with
才 and 就。
我早上6点才起床。
It sounds sarcastic. 6 a.m. is early, as if to say, is 6 o'clock considered late? If we use Joe here would make more sense.
我早上6点就起床了。用法2，表示数量少。
The second usage of 才 is to emphasize small quantity. In English, it's similar to only just.
我才吃了一点点。
I only ate a little bit.
才强调吃的很少，不满足或不够。
I'll emphasize that I didn't eat enough, only a small bite. I'm not satisfied.
今天才来了3个人。
Only 3 people came today. Chinese learners sometimes use it wrong to emphasize big quantity. For example,
今天才来了很多人。
it sounds weird. I only emphasize small quantity, not big quantity.
正确说法，今天来了很多人。用法3，表示动作很晚才发生。
The third usage of 才 is to emphasize something happens later. In English, it's similar to only then, not until then.
他讲了3遍，我才听懂。
He explained it 3 times before I finally understood.
才强调讲了3遍之后我才听懂，太多遍了。
I'll emphasize that I only understand after 3 times of explanation. 3 times is too much.
妈妈来了，他才开始哭。
He didn't start crying until Mom showed up.
注意，才常常出现在第2个动作之前，表示这个动作发生的很晚。第1个动作发生后，第2个动作才发生。
The word 才 often appears before the second action, indicating that the second action occurs only after the first action has taken place. Finally, let's compare the usage of
才和就。
他3岁就会写字了，
He could write when he was only 3.
就给人的感觉是早、快和容易。
Jill gives a feeling of early, fast, and easy to achieve. He is smart. He knows how to write at a young age.
他3岁才会写字，
He didn't learn to write until he was 3.
相反，才给人的感觉是缓慢、不容易。
On the other hand, Hal is late, slow, difficult. Writing is very basic. He learned writing so late. Understanding Thai helps you sound way more natural in Chinese. If you like this kind of bilingual grammar breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel.